So the National Day of Service is a chance for us to give back to the community, especially veterans. This is our 12th year of doing this, and it's a great chance for our entire team to get together and go serve a veteran that has given a big sacrifice to our country.
My name is Bob Dugas, a veteran, Vietnam. Handyman has got a great program going on here to select veterans that could use a little help around the house, redoing the house, and they're doing a wonderful job. And I recommend them anytime, anywhere.
I want to thank Handyman Professional Services on this National Day of Remembrance for one of our devoted DFW members here, located here in Knoxville, Virginia. We've long been associated with Handyman Professional Services, and we gratefully appreciate the services they are provided today in honor of one of our members. Again, we want to appreciate and we thank the members of Mr. Handyman Professional Services in doing this great deed. Thank you.
National Day of Service means a lot to me because I'm a military veteran. I served in the Navy, and it's just our chance to get back to another veteran that needs some work around their house. So we shut down the office for a day, and we spend the day sprucing up their house for everything that they need done that we can do for their house.